Guys, in last video we saw how tuple works. So in this video I will describe about the sets. Sets are just like there is no specific order, there is no repetition. In exact word, there is no repetition in sets. For example, I create a variable, for example, it's called y is equals to. So for the set, always remember you declare set with curly braces. Always remember this thing. I put some values, for example, 10, 20, again 10, again 10, now 50, now 70, now 20, now 5. Okay, so let's print it out. Let's see what I get. I got 50, 20, 5, 70, 10. Okay, let me compile it once more. Okay, so basically what it does, this means like we learn two things here. One is like there is no order, like it's not either in ascending or descending, it's just a random order. One thing is that, and there is no repetition. For example, I declare 10 two times, but I just got one time in my output. I declare 3 times 10, but I just got one time in my output. Okay, so this is the advantage of set. But I don't think so set used too much these days. Mostly tuples, dictionaries, people use these two concepts, sometimes lists as well. But you can do, it depends on what you are doing actually. You can also do many things with these sets, which you can't do with other. For example, there's another set. Let me put some values, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to play around with my set. What I can do, I can print y dot. Now with set, I can do many operations. For example, intersection, I can choose intersection. So remember, in our studies, like when we were in our 10th standard or 9th standard, we have some concept like this. So I want the intersection of y and z. Let's compile it. I got the 5. So 5 is the unique in both of these sets. So I got the 5 in my output. Okay, let me check one thing. Union is opposite of intersection. Let me write it down. See, let's see. Okay, so union means it will give us all the values which are in both sets. We got 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10 and 20 and 50 and 70. That's it. So now you understand what is the difference between union and intersection. So we cover up the set in this video, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.